Hi everyone, welcome to our next game. This is called Rubik's Cube. You've all used a proper Rubik's Cube before. This is a fitness game of Rubik's Cube. Excuse me, Freddie, you can be there. He'll go in a second. So you need to colour in. I've coloured in some paper plates here. You can use pieces of paper or whatever you have at home. I've coloured in 2 green, 2 blue, 2 red and 2 orange plates. We're doing a configuration of 4 by 2 here. You can change that up as well, do more, do less, whatever you want to do. You can play this on your own, which I'm going to do today, or you can play with a partner, a brother or sister, a parent, and you can time yourself, work together, take it in turns. If you're on your own, you can time yourself and try and improve on your time each time you do this. So you can start from a designated area, which will be down here for me, and you're going to sprint. Remember, you can only turn one plate. You can make left, for example, I'm turning this one. I can turn this way, or I could turn the plate this way. You can't turn diagonally. Okay. From here, go. Try and get them all in correct order. Go as fast as you can. Nearly there. And I've done it. Rubik's Cube completed. That is how you play Rubik's Cube.